Hey, what's up, guys? It's Aerogamer here, and I'm back with another awesome model review. It's the Aeroclassics or Euroclassics Boeing 72 Olympic Airways 727 dash 200. Now, this is just a really amazing model, and I'm glad to show you guys this model. I got this off of Waffle Collectibles, and it's all sold out now on Waffle Collectibles. I think it's pretty much sold out anywhere. This model came out around, I think, August or September of last year, 2018. And it came with two releases. This is one was SX-CBE, and this one is SX-CBI. And the other one was a bit, I think was an older aircraft. I think this is a newer aircraft, because the other one had silver, or I should say chrome belly, and it had the old Greek flag. And when I mean old Greek flag, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let's get on to the review. So this is okay, alright. So this is the Aeroclassics box. As you can see, as usual, Aeroclassics always comes in a it always has like a cutout, and then for this Euroclassics box, it's like a white box with yellow, or I should say gold, gold, outline. So here's the left side, the top, the right, and the bottom. And as I think I said in the Air Mauritius video, or sorry, Ethiopian Airlines, no, I think I said in the British Airways, yeah, the British Airways video, the VC10 video, they always have sticker to show like this, the extra information. And then in the back, it has all European, or most European 727 operators, which is really cool. So, pretty neat. Now let's get into the review. Alright guys, so we are going to start off with the front. So it says Megas Alexandros in the Greek pronunciation. I know what Greek, I do know what Greek writing looks like, but this is probably the pronunciation. But then we have cockpit windows. I think you can see the windshield wipers right there. It's that black. And then there is the eyebrow window on the top of the cockpit windows. And then we have the front entry door, and but there is no P2 tubes or any static ports, sadly, but what can you do? And I'm gonna try not to roll this model, because Aeroclassics models, especially the smaller, like the narrow body, their gear is not that good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. The Aeroclassics narrow body gear is really not good. But I'll get into details when I get to the gear. But here's the current flag and the European flag. So the old flag, I don't know if you can see properly, but the Greek flag has the Greek flag has that square on the top, like with the cross and everything. That square was the only thing. That whole thing was the flag. But then later on in 1978, they added the stripes, the blue and white stripes. But yeah, so maybe I might put it in the video right now. But yeah, they put it in the But yeah, this is the newer flag, so I'm assuming this is this model was, or this aircraft was delivered to Olympic after 1978, and the other release was probably before 1978. So then there's the Olympic titles, and then we go on to here, and then there's the runway light. Then we have the amazing wing, red navigation light right here. And then here is the left engine, Boeing 727. Okay, here. It says Boeing 727 right there. And then registration is SX-CBI or Sierra X-Ray Charlie Bravo India. Now I'll get to the APU exhaust right there. Beautiful APU. Really nice APU. And then on the same, everything is the same on this side except also the stabilizers are really nice. Everything is the same as on this side except there's cargo doors down here and green navigation light. And also, before I move on, I wanted to show you, it says Alexander the Great there, and then on the other side, I'll quickly show you guys. It says Megas Alexandros, and then also I forgot to point out there's that classic red black nose. So yeah. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So here we have the nose gear. Nose gear door. It's a bit scratched. I don't think. It looks more like it wasn't painted fully. It's okay. Nobody sees the bottom anyways. So there's some red anti-collision lights, I guess. I don't know what that is. Red, stand hole. Some landing gear. Gear door, like, mold there. And then there is flap slots, ailerons, registration on this side, and I don't know what that light is for, because I think the runway light is right there. I don't know what that is. That light is for, but yeah. The APU housing. Yeah, so at the top. So there's nothing on the top, which is surprising, but it's okay. Oh, sorry, there is. My finger was in the way. So, red anti-collision lights. I apologize for that mistake. Some emergency markings, flap slots, ailerons, spoilers. More emergency markings there. And stabilizer. Alright, guys, this was also, I wanted to mention about the landing gear. The landing gear for this model did come off. As you can see, the landing gear is actually just stuck in. Like, I'll do my best to describe what it's like, but it's like it's literally like as you can see, I think you can see, like, to attach this landing gear, it's like a one small, very tiny metal rod, and then it has two rubber pieces just stuck on the sides. Now, the reason why, I don't know if the other models, like Gemini Jets has it, but Aeroclassics newer, bigger models don't have that, or they do, but it's more stronger. But this is my second time recording this video, and as I was, because in the other video I was kind of rolling the model a little bit too much, and the landing gear messed up. So, the landing gear came off, so I don't know what the deal with that was. it just came out very easily, and yeah. And usually I never roll my models, but sometimes I roll it just to like move it around to show you guys. But as I was doing that, it was this gear, and as you can see, I kind of pushed it in a little bit too far. It still rolls, but I pushed it in a bit just so it doesn't come off. As you can see, that little metal rod is coming out from there. But yeah, I don't know why they do that kind of I don't know why they do that with their gears, but you know, I guess it was kind of my fault. I should have been more careful when I was rolling or moving it. And as you guys saw, I was like lifting it up as I was moving the plane, so that's what I should have done, but you know, it's okay. I mean, yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment, and like. Put in the comments below if you had this model. Put in the comments below if you want it or something. Share this review. And yeah, it's a really cool model. So I'll see you in the next video.